Thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. Let's continue further with the drone AI. So if you have followed till the previous video, you should have the drone BP this thing. So you can migrate it to the TPS project and continue further if you have followed the earlier TPS series. The reason I'm using this is we already have the damage system for the character. So I wanted to use this, and moreover, people who are following the series from the beginning, it will be easy for them to get this implemented in their project. So once you have migrated your drone related babies, your game should behave something like this. So it should find the player, investigate or chase the player, and start firing at the player. Okay, so this should be the case. Let's continue further. So first thing we will see about damaging the player when the drone hits the player. So for that, go to the drone projectile base, and here move this a bit and put a sequence, and then we have to spawn an emitter similar to what we have did earlier. So spawn emitter at location, and this location is our hit location, and the emitter we want is from this hit get the surface type. So similar to our earlier weapon system projectile setup, so depending upon the material that we are hitting, the emitter will be spawned accordingly. So put a select. So these are all the different different surface types we have registered. So connect this here. So this will show up your options to select different kind of emitters when the projectile hits a particular place. So I'm setting the body bullet impact first, and default I'll set it to that metal small, impact stone small. So you can set it as per your need. So I'm just setting only few here. So depending upon the different surface types you have, you can add the emitters as you require. And on sequence 2, put a branch. And again, this is also similar to what we have did earlier. Get the uh, hit variable, then break its result, and from the hit actor check whether the actor has tag. This tag we have set already. So set this to player, and connect this to the branch. And again, from the hit actor, call the damage interface, which we have created already. So this is the reason why I wanted to continue further in the TPS video, because we have most of the steps already created. And bone name to hit bone name, then hit location. Again, we have it in the variable, so put it in hit location, and damage type is pointed, and damage value how much you want to damage the player. For testing purposes, I'm just giving you one. So let's see here. Okay, so when the drone hits the player, it's damaging the character, but we are not getting the flash effect. I think okay. So here, click on return material on move. So now we shouldn't get that error, but still it is hitting the player. I mean, the projectile is hitting the capsule and not the player. For that, so set the object type to. So for that, go to your project settings and under collision, add a new object channel. Name it as projectile, and default is set to ignore, and come here to your on your projectile page. So if you're on the drop down, you can select projectile here, and on your player character, go to this capsule component and its collision projectile is ignored by default. Let's see. Okay, the reason is on the character mesh, uh, projectile should be unblock. Okay. Okay, now we are getting the blood effects when the projectile hits the player. Okay, and the damage is happening. So this is fine now. So let me close this video for now. Next video we will see about how to damage the drone actor. Thanks for watching. Bye.